Look, I'm no gym rat. I don't spend my mornings on a treadmill or wear neon spandex. I'm a business owner and I'm a dad. I'm either under the hood of my Jeep or maintaining the yard or editing content on the go. For a long time, I had a problem with earbuds. They either fell out while I was working or they blocked out the world so much that I couldn't hear my family calling for me. But I recently found a solution that actually fits a busy, non-gym lifestyle. These are the TOZO Open X2 Pros. And right away you could tell that they're built differently. We're talking about aviation-grade aluminum for the case. It feels substantially better. It feels professional. But the real magic is the open ear design. They don't go inside of your ear canal. They gently rest over it using a rotatable dual axis hook. They're actually wrapped in a soft liquid silicone and you pretty much forget that you're even wearing them. I could spend 4 hours under the chassis of the Jeep trimming hedges without any of that ear pressure pain. And since they are IPX7 waterproof, a little rain or a splash from the hose isn't going to ruin my day. As a content creator, I need tools, not toys. These earbuds have an integrated AI assistant. We're talking real-time translation and voice-to-text transcription. Imagine capturing a business meeting or an interview that has a transcript ready to go instantly.
¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias.
How are you? Very well, thank you.
Very well, thank you.
Muy bien, gracias.
So it pretty much keeps up with whatever language you're speaking, so you can read it. You're supposed to be able to.
It's 'cause you're still touching.
Entonces, básicamente se mantiene a la par con el idioma que estás hablando para que lo puedas leer. Se supone que deberías poder hacerlo. Es porque todavía estás tocando. Tenemos que hacerlo.
So I'm testing out these earbuds. The app has some different features to where you can speak into the app. So I guess you can't really stutter because then it's going to interrupt you and start translating.
Real problem for people who say
Alright, stop that. Alright. Then you can do like meeting recordings where you transcribe stuff or whatever. And
This
then,
one makes sense.
Summaries and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of neat. Anyways. Brittle Bones Barber Co. Follow him on TikTok. And for the calls, the 6 microphone system uses AI to cancel out wind noise. I can basically be in a noisy environment and my calls are coming through crystal clear. Now, let's talk about something we all struggle with, posture. Actually, let me fix it right now. I can feel myself slouching a bit. If you spend hours at a desk editing, you know the neck strain is real. The Open X2 Pros actually monitor your neck load. Through the app, they track your head angle and gently remind you to sit up straight or stretch. It's like having a physical therapist built right into your audio gear.
Please move your neck and stretch a little.
And when it's time to relax, the head tracking spatial audio is next level. The sound moves with you, creating an immersive experience whether you're listening to a podcast or watching a movie. At the end of the day, I need gear that adapts to me. I need it to hear my family, manage my business, and get work done without compromise. The TOZO Open X2 Pros are the first earbuds that I found that actually keep up with a real busy life. If you want to see the tech specs or grab a pair on Kickstarter, I've put all the info that you need in the description below. Before you go, I have a question for you. Do you prefer earbuds that block out the world, or do you need to stay aware of your surroundings like I do? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more practical tech reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one. TOZO, just for good sound.